You picked #success.
Ladies and gentlemen, #success. For me, success is not just about reaching your destination, but it's about changing the lives along the way your success. Because I am standing in front of you right now, representing not only myself, but representing those who are underrepresented, which are the people under my advocacy. I am an advocate against colorism, and I am here right now uplifting and empowering everyone that there's nothing wrong with you. As long as you have the heart to serve the people, as long as you have the mind to share to everyone.
Exhale. Let me read that for you. So you picked, again, please guys, please remain silent. Okay, let's respect our candidate. You picked #Donald Trump.
Okay, #Donald Trump. There's one thing come in my mind when I hear #Donald Trump. A great responsibility. A great power comes with great responsibility. Tama o mali? Well, ladies and gentlemen, kahit sino man po ang dumaan o magbigay o dumating na maging leader ng kung sino man, ng kung ano mang bansa sa buong mundo, isa lamang po ang lagi natin tatandaan. Lagi po tayo
You picked, everyone please remain silent, okay? You picked #technology.
Well, when we say technology, technology doesn't even have a rational mind. It is in our hand, humans, on how can we use technology in a proper and in a good way. Always remember that technology always in our hand, whether we will use it in a positive way or whether we will use our technology in a negative way. Humans play a very vital role on how can we elevate and innovate technology into a proper and better way.
Again, please remain silent, everyone. You picked #human.
#human. Marahil sa pagkakataong ito, ang kinikilala lamang po ng mga tao sa Biblia na ang tao raw ay ang lalaki at babae lamang. Ngunit kayo po ay nagkakamali because we have LGBT community here na lahat tayo ay tao at pantay-pantay na may pagtingin at may karapatan dito sa mundong ibabaw dahil kung sino ka ay pare-parehas tayong tao. No. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your hashtag is very relevant.
Oh, really? I'm sorry.
#2025 national election.
It is very important for us to choose a leader that will actually lead us into something good, something that will benefit not only those who are in charge, but us, every single Filipinos. Hindi porke mahirap o mayaman, lahat tayo ay makikinabang. Kaya naman, lagi niyong tatandaan, bilang isang Pilipino, ang boto mo ay mahalaga. Kaya pumili ka ng leader na ihahalal mo ngayong eleksyon na may takot sa Diyos at may pagmamahal sa Pilipinas. Salamat.
And you picked #animal cruelty.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know animals is just like a human being. Love them, respect them. At this moment of time, na pag di na po sila napapansin, kailangan din nila ng pagmamahal. Kailangan din nila ng pag-aaruga. Dahil tandaan mo, ang tao, maraming tao dyan, na lahat hindi ka mamahalin. Pero mag-alaga ka lang ng hayop, panigurado, hindi ka nila iiwan at tatry to rin. Magandang umaga.
Alright, thank you. You picked humility.
Alright.
Hi, thank you so much. Humility is very important. Why? Because it is very rampant about AI that can actually taking over more jobs in the Philippines. I believe that we Filipinos should always respond to this issue constructively because with humility, we can help other people to get jobs and we can provide services with full humility, love, and respect. Thank you.
For being so silent. You picked hashtag money.
Okay. Maraming nagkakamali po sa paggamit ng pera. Maraming umaabuso dito. Lagi po natin tatandaan, ang lahat ng bagay dito sa ating kinagagalawan ay hiram lamang. Dapat ngayon pa lamang gumawa na tayo ng kabutihan sa ating kapwa. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Hashtag future.
Maraming pagkakataon sa ating buhay na tayo'y nag-aalala sa ating kinabukasan. Ngunit lagi niyong tatandaan na ang mahalaga ay gumawa tayo ng kabutihan sa kasalukuyan at tiyak na magiging maganda ang ating kinabukasan. Our future is a promise from God, so never worry from it because God Himself told, but in the present you do good, future will be better. Good morning.
Thank you so much. So, pick it and I'll read it. Very important this day. You pick hashtag integrity. Integrity.
Integrity has something to do with honesty. And just I want to imply that integrity should come in our government. They should have the integrity to serve its people because they are the one who give and provide our needs. Because after all, integrity is power and power comes great responsibility. Thank you.
Thank you so much.